Hi guys, this is Martin, aka MartinTheVlogger, and today we will talk about this remote control holder for DJI Mavic Air 2. It's designed by MTV Manufacturing, so by my company, and yeah, produced by MTV Manufacturing. And for those that don't know me, I'm a vlogger. I'm traveling with this cool bike around the world basically, and I'm using some functionalities of the DJI Mavic Air 2 where I need to have my hands empty while riding. So we have developed this, we are building this, and in today's video I'll tell you how it is built, where I use it, how I use it, and basically where you can get it. Well, it's quite obvious. You can go to the MTV Online Shop and get it there at the best price you can get, or you can get it on eBay. So now how it is built, how I use it, what is the logic, where you can use it. Well, let's start with the logic. Finally, the DJI Mavic Air 2, it's a drone that has decent follow me function, plus other functions like you can say to the drone like go this direction. This is how I use it, okay? I'm traveling around the world, or Central and Eastern Europe now these days, and I love this, you know. I love to, you know, show to the people roads, and in this respect, when I was, you know, holding the remote control in one hand and wanted me to see like what the drone, or where is the drone, if it is following me, or if I had a different function turned on, where I am on the road. So I needed to hold it in my hand, and it was quite, you know, bad. I have crashed several times just because when I was riding I was hitting one of the sticks and the drone just crashed. We wanted to make it as universal as possible in respect to the holder for DJI Mavic Air 2. So you have a hole here that it's typical 1/4 inch, a hole for a 1/4 inch screw that is mostly used in a photo and camera business, or you know, like with the camera and photo guys. The holder comes in the box. Of course it doesn't come with the remote control itself or this broken phone, but it comes with a you know, the holder adapter like this 1/4 inch screw, and it's great for GoPro, as I think many of you will use it. However, of course, you can use it with a RAM mount. It's also great for traveling, or simply come with me. Or basically, this is how I'm using it from time to time. Basically, any kind of tripod or stick like this with a 1/4 inch screw. And I'm using this while I'm shooting some long shots, or you know, a time frame videos, and I'm tired, whatever. I just tell to the drone where to go, do whatever, and I can do other stuff around the bike. So that's how I use it. But mostly it sits right over here, so I can ride, I can have my visual contact with the drone, whatever. I have tested it up to 90 kilometers an hour with the phone there and a holder, and this is a naked bike, so no windshield protector or whatever, and it was all okay. I didn't want to go faster, not because of the holder itself, but because I do not trust this holder, so I didn't want to lose already broken phone, which is still good for droning. Now, how it is built and what type of materials we are using. Basically, this is a 3D print technology that is being used. That's a significant thing for MTV Manufacturing. We are using this technology because I think it's the technology of the future. There are several things on the motorbike already, like this badge. It's used with carbon fiber fractions. This one, however, is not with carbon fiber fractions. This is a regular PETG, very solid material, you know. It's very rough, very tough. Still though, it has just 80 grams, and it can fit with the, oh, there is the holder. I'm just too lazy, but it will fit with a remote control inside into the bag, in case you have this Fly More combo bag. It just goes very simply right over there with 3 batteries, drone and whatever. I'm always honest, that's how it works. So 3D print technology using PETG, super strong, super light, and yeah, you can get it basically on MTV Online Shop. The link is here. you can just type it to your browser. The link is down in the description. You can ask me any questions, or you can buy it basically on eBay, where it is a little bit more expensive just because of the fees. And where you can use it, obviously I'm using it while riding the Beast, that's the name of the bike. But you can use it while you want to record driving in a car, and you want to have obviously your hands empty, while you are on a jet ski, ATV, motorbike, bicycle, I don't know, anywhere where you can basically mount the holder for DJI Mavic Air 2 remote control, and where you wanted to have your hands empty so you can focus on the main activity. Guys, thank you very much for watching. In case you would like to see a little bit more about who I am, what I do, where I travel, what is this bike about, visit my channel, visit my YouTube channel, hit the subscription button and have the notifications on, because always when I'm using something, when I'm developing something, I'm making videos about it, and you will be notified when you have the notifications on. Guys, thank you very much for watching, and remember, get yourself a remote control holder and always have fun.